run, getting ready in the morning, setting everything up. But we're good to go, and Felicia set up the till. We got some new items to show you. Today's gonna be turning $100 into $1,000. I've seen some other YouTubers do it. We're gonna do it with a retail store. See if today's gonna be a good day. It's currently 10 o'clock. We just opened, and I got a lot to do, but I wanted to start this video. Hello and good morning. It's been a slow morning, but that's gonna happen in retail. That's retail for you. Certain times you get 6 customers at once, and then an hour will go by and you'll get nobody. That's just how it is. To be honest, we had a few customers. It's been slow. We're at 80 bucks so far, to be honest. And it's been an hour in, so hopefully it goes well.
Hello. So it's been a little slow today. First hour, not too bad, but I don't know. I think people are afraid to come out because it's freezing out. But hopefully we'll get to 1,000, I hope. We'll see how the rest of the day goes. I do think it'll pick up probably around 12:30-ish, and then again in the afternoon after school. Okay, so it's lunchtime now, and we have actually had quite a few big players in here today. We find that customers are spending a little bit more than usual, and some are spending a lot more than usual, so that's really exciting. That means that we have a lot of things that they're looking for. So this hour we picked up quite a bit, and Ray was literally nowhere to be found. I had a lineup of like 5-6 people, and he just pretty much abandoned me.
Alright, we picked up quite a bit. We got fell on cash. We use an iPad for our cash. ShopKeep. The halfway point, we're at $5.55. For how cold it is where we live in Canada, and for what we're selling, this produce is a very seasonal business, and that's our main thing here. So it's gonna take time, and nothing comes easy. I know that, and the building process of any business is not pretty, and that's exactly where we're at, and that's why I wanted to show you a step-by-step guide to what we got going on here. Felicia,
Woo!
I'm just telling them it's not pretty, you know, the first year or two probably.
Well, let's get something straight. When you're running a business with 2 people, there's going to be one sane person.
She's the one who's not sane.
Yeah, no, it's just very
It's
mentally straining.
The first year is ugly. Okay? But we're at 555.47, maybe a little more.
It's more.
And the goal is 1,000. We're turning 100 into 1,000 today. That was the goal. Okay? Okay, wow, 5:59. We usually get busy around 4. It's currently 3:15, so we'll keep you updated until then. The problem is, there is people that come in here, but they treat it like a convenience store. You know, they might come in and buy an onion. They might come in and grab a cucumber. Oh, I forgot a bag of pasta for dinner. I need a milk jug. That's not what we wanted. That's not what this business was built on. This business was built to make it a produce center for the neighborhood to come in, get their produce here and some other items, and then they can do their big groceries on a Saturday. However, it's being treated like a convenience store where people will come in and spend $3, $2, $5. But today, surprisingly, and in the winter,
I sold another basil plant.
Yeah, I know. See, convenience store. The average sale today is $14.30. Okay, now you figure how many customers do you need to reach $1,000 at $14.30, right? 70, around there, probably a little more, a little less. I'm just saying, you know, we need the average sale to go up in order to make this sustainable, or else it's not worth the work. You know, you sit here and you sell a couple cucumbers, an eggplant, you know, half a tomato or something. We just need people to trust us and spend a little more here. That's the main battle, and that's what's kind of keeping us at these days, especially in the winter, where it's $1,000 is okay. In the summer, that's our season. All right. Anyways, I'm gonna go do something productive. The best advice I can give you if you're in retail business is fill your store as much as possible. We started with nothing, and it really killed the average sale. And now we filled it up, and people are picking up more things. You just have to get things that people want, and that's the hardest part of this business.
Alright, and we gon' get it on tonight. You smoke, I drink, well good, cause we gon' get high tonight. Got you.
It's cold. This is the produce cooler. You're gonna find all the veg and the fruit in here. You'll probably find me crying in a little corner, probably screaming something along the lines, "What did I get myself into?" No, it's not bad. Drip by drip, it's the first year of business. I say that a lot, but it's the truth. This investment cost me quite a bit. This cooler alone cost me quite a bit, but slowly it's paying off. And every piece of produce we sell is a payment back towards this cooler. So it takes time. It takes time. I'm going to tell you personally that it takes time.
Drops, got trucks, alright, cause we gon' take a ride tonight. So let's slide, alright, and we gon' get it on.
Now I was downtown clubbing, ladies night. Seen shorty, she was crazy, right? And I approached baby like my
Bored and it's 5 o'clock and I want to go home. That's the reality right now.
It's 4:55.
Hey, your face looks nice and picked up.
I know.
what's your Asian type? She looked at me and said, hey, you's a baby.
So at the end of every night, we juice whatever looks ugly. Not that it's bad product, it just has a mark on it and people won't take it. So we'll juice everything before we leave, and we put everything in like a mason jar. Oh, you want to grab one? We don't want waste. Waste equals losing money. So this is the next best thing. These sell better in the summer, like the rest of the store, but they also still sell because it's 100% fruit and it's at a pretty good price. So, and you get a little jar. So yeah, let's get to that. Okay, so here's the lineup. You got your strawberry orange on this side and your grapefruit. It's pure grapefruit, 100%, all natural fruit, no added water. That's pretty. Alright, that's a wrap, guys. They're turning 100 into 1,000. We are very, very close. I'm going to put the total on the screen on what we did. I think we're at like 90% of what we wanted today. Yeah, those are some days in January that are going to be like that. Just cleaning up and we're out of here. I hope you enjoyed this vlog in the behind the scenes of a grocery store owner, retail store owner. Just keep buying product and keep selling it. That's the way we got to do it. Any advice? Fill the damn store.
Yeah.
That was how we started. We started with very, very low inventory, pretty much because we had no cash. And then we built from here, and we have a lot more inventory. Now we just gotta sell it all. Yeah, that's about it.
More, I guess.
Keep buying more. It's the name of the game. Who knows when it'll stop? All right, follow your dreams. I love you. Take care of yourself.